What's the meaning of budgetary? Budgetary. Budgetary.
Budgetary. Budgetary. The word budgetary refers to something that relates to a budget or the process of creating a budget. It can be used to describe actions, decisions, or policies that are aimed at managing expenses within a specific financial plan. For example, a company might implement budgetary controls to limit spending and improve financial performance. Budgetary measures can also refer to government policies related to taxation, public spending, and debt management. The primary goal of budgetary measures is to ensure that an organization or government can operate within its financial means while achieving desired outcomes.